What steps can I take to troubleshoot Apple Music not working with family sharing?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing troubleshooting steps for Apple Music not working with family sharing. If you're facing issues with Apple Music not functioning properly within your family sharing setup, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in.
Check family sharing settings.
The first thing you'll want to do is verify your family sharing settings. To do this, follow these steps. 1. Open the Settings app on your iOS device. 2. Scroll down and tap on your name at the top of the screen. 3. Next, select Family Sharing. 4. Ensure that the Apple Music option is turned on for all family members. 5. If it's already enabled, try toggling it off and on again to refresh the connection.
Update Apple Music and iOS.
Outdated software can sometimes cause compatibility issues. To ensure that you're running the latest version of Apple Music and iOS, follow these steps. 1. Open the App Store on your iOS device. 2. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. 3. Scroll down and check if there's an update available for the Apple Music app. If there is, tap the Update button next to it. 4. After updating Apple Music, go back to the main App Store screen and tap on the Updates tab. 5. If there's an iOS update available, tap the Update button next to it. Remember to restart your device after updating to ensure that all changes take effect.
Check Apple Music subscription and payment status.
A valid Apple Music subscription is essential for accessing its features. Here's what you can do to verify your subscription and payment status. 1. Open the Apple Music app on your iOS device. 2. Tap on the For You tab at the bottom of the screen. 3. Scroll to the top and tap on your profile picture or initials. 4. From the Account Settings page, select Manage Subscription. 5. Confirm that your subscription is active and the payment method is up to date. If needed, update your payment details or renew your subscription.
Verify iCloud Music Library and syncing.
To ensure that your iCloud Music library and syncing are functioning correctly, follow these steps. 1. Open the Settings app on your iOS device. 2. Scroll down and tap on Music. 3. Enable the iCloud Music Library option if it's turned off. 4. If it's already enabled, try disabling it and re-enabling it to refresh the library. If you're encountering syncing issues, you can try disabling and re-enabling iCloud Music Library on all devices within your family sharing group.
Contact Apple Support.
If you've followed all the previous steps and are still experiencing issues with Apple Music and family sharing, it may be best to reach out to Apple Support for further assistance. They have dedicated support channels to help you resolve any lingering problems. And there you have it. We've covered several troubleshooting steps for resolving Apple Music issues within your family sharing setup. Remember to check your family sharing settings, update Apple Music and iOS, verify your subscription and payment status, and ensure proper iCloud Music library and syncing. If all else fails, don't hesitate to contact Apple Support. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Take care, and see you next time.